Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel. Rudra classes IELTS PTE Reading Collocations. Important for reading, fill in the blanks. Daily living. Data gathering. Data set. Deal with an issue. Deem appropriate. Deem necessary. Deep understanding. Deeper level. Deeply embedded. Deeply rooted. Defining characteristic. Defining concept. Defining feature. Deliberate attempt. Democratic process. Democratic society. Democratic state. Demographic change. Demographic factor. Demonstrate competence. Densely populated. Deny access. Dependent variable. Describe a method. Describe a process. Describe a procedure. Descriptive statistics. Desired outcome. Detailed examination. Detailed information. Detailed study. Develop a method. Develop a strategy. Develop a technique. Develop a theory. Develop an approach. Develop an argument. Developmental process. Developmental stage. Diagnostic test. Differ considerably. Differ significantly. Differ widely. Digital information. Digital media. Direct access. Direct communication. Direct consequences. Direct evidence. Direct impact. Direct involvement. Direct link. Direct observation. Direct relationship. Direct role. Directly affect. Directly affected. Directly connected. Directly involved. Directly linked. Directly linked. Directly proportional. Directly related. Directly responsible. Disclose information. Discuss a topic. Discuss an issue. Disposable income. Distinct group. Distinct type. Distinctive feature. Distinguishing feature. Diverse background. Diverse group. Diverse range. Dividing line. Documentary evidence. Domestic market. Domestic sphere. Dominant culture. Dominant position. Dominant role. Dramatic change. Dramatic effect. Dramatic increase. Draw attention. Draw a conclusion. Draw a distinction. Draw a line. Driving force. Due process. Dynamic nature. Dynamic procedures. Dynamic system. Earlier discussion. Earlier period. Earlier research. Earlier stage. Earlier study. Earlier times. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe YouTube channel.